Hey.
I'm gonna give you my ID. I'm about to give you my ID.
Too late.
I'm about to give you my ID. I'm about to give you my ID.
We'll get it.
They arrested me. They gonna take me to jail. Can I get my food and stuff?
What's going on, ma'am? Ma'am. Sheriff's office. What's going on?
Okay, what's going on is that he just took me from my plane, and I could have stayed on my plane.
You got removed from the plane?
Yes, I did.
Why?
Don't know why.
Somebody wants to get a statement from them?
She was the last one pretty much to get on the plane. She was at the bar. We asked her, did she have a picture in her coat? She said it was not.
Okay, we don't need the sheriff. I'm gonna go.
No. It's, no. Ma'am.
I'm about to go. Yes, I am. You don't need my ID.
I didn't hear the last part. I heard.
I'm not going downstairs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you my ID. I'm about to give you my ID.
Make up your mind.
Can you stop?
Hey.
Because he just arrested me. I'm gonna give you my ID.
Wind it back.
I'm about to give you my ID.
Too late.
I'm about to give you my ID. I'm about to give you my ID.
We'll get it.
They arrested me. They gonna take me to jail.
Go with the flow.
I just said I'm gonna give you my ID.
Let's go. We need to get.
I just said I'm gonna give you my ID.
Okay, let's go with the program here.
Hey Siri.
Let's go.
Hey Siri. Call my husband.
Let's go downstairs.
Hey Siri. Can I get my food and stuff? Can I get my food and stuff?
Everything's coming down.
Hey Siri. Call my husband.
Let's go.
Can I get my food and stuff?
Everything's coming down.
Okay, you don't got to grab me like this like I'm a criminal or something. Okay, let me go. This cuffs are hurting my head.
Are you going to cooperate?
I am going to cooperate.
That's not cooperating.
Hey Siri, call my husband. Can I pull my shirt down? This is embarrassing. Like, what the f*** got all my shit out? With your rude white ass. Can you pull my shit down? It's not up. It's down. Like you have stolen all my stuff. Don't go in the gate. Can you pull my pants up? Like I'm gonna file a lawsuit on your mother. This shit is hurting my head. It's hurting my head.
Let's go.
It's hurting my head.
Look.
It's hurting my head.
You tried walking me forward. Go. You're not hurting.
You hurting me. Turn it around. It's hurting my head. You ain't gonna press on me like that. You rude ass fat ass. Hey Siri, call my husband. No, put your feet on there. Kick me. You kicking me. Don't kick me. You heard me. Get off me. Perfect foot. Hey Siri, call my husband. God damn it. She lying me. Oh, yeah. Hey Siri, call my husband.
Come on.
Hey Siri.
Go my way. Let me go ahead and get the door.
Hey Siri.
Tell it through.
Yeah, coming through. Let me go. Stop there. You can let me go. Stop. You hurting my head. I don't give a about none of this. I didn't do shit.
Okay?
You didn't cuss my home.
Stop him.
I didn't do shit.
Get the leg out.
Let me go. I don't give a about this. Y'all done cancel my whole trip. And y'all gonna refund me for this shit.
Kick me. She's up on my foot.
No, and I need to piss. Can I take a piss? Or I'm gonna piss on this floor. I need to use the restroom. 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 I need to use the restroom.
got it. Yeah, I got it. Hold her leg. Hold her leg. In her leg.
I need to go to the restroom. Because I want to get some. I need to go to the restroom. I need to go to the restroom.
You okay? I'm good. She got me in my fucking foot.
Should have got here. I need to use the restroom. Oh, this gonna make me miss a mother flight for what?
We were trying to get the story up there, okay?
Yeah, and you was assuming.
Everything went to hell.
And you was assuming.
I didn't have a chance to
Cause
do
that already
anything.
pissed me off. Put me off of my flight. With your racist ass. With his gay ass. But I guess cause he part of LGQPT, it's alright. No, don't. Do it look like
I'm gonna take these out.
no, you not. Give me my glasses.
Okay.
Okay, get her in the cell. Get her in the cell.
Stupid ass. I gotta use the
You're
bathroom.
gonna have the opportunity now while we do your felony paperwork.
Take these cuffs off. Take the cuffs off. I gotta pee. The fact I gotta pee in my motherfucking bed.
Sit down on the bench.
Can you take the cuffs off?
Take this stuff off. Sit down
Okay,
on the
can you
bench.
take it off?
No, I can't.
Can we?
Sit down on the
No,
bench.
I'm not.
I will take the leg
I
out.
want to pee. You want me to pee on myself?
Well, I'm
No, I'm not. I can pee on myself.
Come here. I'll take the cuffs off.
I just asked you to take them off.
We can put
I
her
just have to pee. What's wrong? Racist ass.
belly. Let's get her in
We get up.
the belly chain.
Can you take these off so I can pee?
Yeah,
Because unfortunately I can't pee like this.
okay. So, in order for us to take them off, you gotta go towards that bench.
Like what's wrong? Racist ass. Why should have put that on me? I don't give a I already going to jail for Germantown. You're not putting that on me.
Listening to him.
I'm not. So listen to no about it.
You ready?
You are. No! Move! I don't like females! Get away from me! I don't want no females in here! I don't want no females in here! Move! I don't want no females in here!
Don't we put this belt on you?
So you can go ahead and use the bathroom.
I'm not putting shit on! Get the away from me! I'm not putting shit on!
Why?
Not putting shit on!
Why?
Because I'm not! Why the y'all take me off my plane?
I never took you
Is y'all finna refund me? Y'all not!
Take it off and let her in there and
They lost $3,000.
Put a rip belt on her neck. So she can
I don't give a y'all can stand right here all motherfucking day. I already missed my flight. I ain't got shit to lose.
Okay. We
Don't
need
give
to
a
put
about
this on
shit.
you.
I'm not standing up for shit. I'm standing right here. You can bail me out and I can pay myself to get out. So give me my ticket and you can keep me like I am.
It's past the
you want
ticket.
to use the restroom?
You can keep me out I am. I'm gonna piss like this. Write me up whatever I need to do to get me the out of here. So I can call me a ride. Get me out of here.
You're not going to go get a ride. You're going to jail.
I'm not going to jail.
Yes, you are. There's
For
no-
what?
For battery to a police officer.
I didn't batter no police
Yes, you
officer.
did.
No, I
Yes,
didn't.
you did.
No, I didn't.
You did.
I didn't.
Okay, let's get her in the squad. Let's have them search her. We'll get her
I
in
don't
the
give a
squad.
fuck them searching.
And then she can go right to jail.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do shit.
You're going to jail.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do shit.
I'm not going to argue with
I'm not. Because I didn't do shit.
Just have to go right to the spot. No.
you. No, we got to search her.
Okay.
You ain't searching nothing. Because I didn't do shit.
Right here.
Yep.
You can get the out of my pocket. Because I don't got shit.
Stabilize her against the wall.
No, I don't care. About none of that.
Yeah.
So when y'all start searching, I'm going to piss. Nah, that's going to be a real. Yeah.
You got it from here.
Don't just grab my hair like that, weak ass.
Is your
Did you have your... Who would bring something with them going out of town with y'all dumb ass?
Miss, we still have to search you.
Okay, don't search me.
Well, we
Like
have
I'm not that dumb or slow.
I'm calling to crash your friend.
I didn't say
You can get away from me.
I'm calling to crash your friend.
Okay. I heard you the first time. Get off of me.
secure her head. Someone let Jeff in here and secure her head.
She's good.
All right, let's just put her in a squad car.
Okay. What squad are we taking?
Tahoe.
And I need to make a phone call.
What car are we?
And I need all my shit. Can I get my shit? These prescription glasses. I need my glasses. I can't see. I need my glasses.
505, you got your keys?
I can't see. I need my glasses. Can I get my glasses? I can't see. I can't see. Those are prescription glasses. I'm not moving trying to see.
Some more jewelry just came out right there.
Can I get my glasses? I need my glasses. I can't see. I can't see. I need my glasses. Let go of my hands like that. You're not gonna be walked like that with your racist white ass. Racist white. Can you let go of my hand? Can I get relaxed first? With your white ass.
Get her in the car.
No, I'm not.
Jeff, hold on till Alex gets over there.
Break your ass. Like you, I can't see. You won't see.
You gotta put your seatbelt on. Watch her foot.
Yeah, watch my foot. And you's crazy. You black wanna blend in right with their ass.
My camera.
You wanna blend in right with their ass. No, I'm not.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
Go get it, go get it. Oh, why are you sticking her foot in there?
Stop burning like
Don't-
that. You wanna arrest me?
No, no.